This will be really quick because we're going to talk about YouTube Shorts. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repurpose your existing YouTube video and convert it into Shorts. Please stay tuned.
Check the mic and make sure it sounds right, boys.
Alright, so we're back on my computer and I'm going to teach you how to convert this video into Shorts using iMovie. Later on, I'm going to teach you also how to do this in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so just drag it into your timeline and just select the video that you wanted to add in your YouTube Shorts video. Alright, so I'm going to select this and delete this. Alright, so once you're done selecting the video that you would like to put in your short, just click on that clip and then go to crop and then tilt it towards the right side. Alright, so it would look this way. Alright, so once you're done doing that, just click on crop again and then crop to fill and just adjust it, just making sure that the object of the video would be at the center. Alright, let's play it. Alright, so that's good. But the thing is, when you go to this frame, there's a slight problem. So what we're gonna do is we'll have to cut this frame. Okay, let's cut it from here. Up to here. And then click on crop again. This time you're gonna use this. Can burst from here, and it's gonna end here. Alright, let's try it now. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, for this one, I think we'll have to adjust this also. Give me a minute to do that. And just adjust it. Make it at the center. And I think that's it. And I'm just gonna add this end screen. And it would be saying, please check out full vid in my channel. Alright, so we're gonna have to do the same thing here. We have to flip it to the right side. And then just save it. Alright, so once you save it, the orientation will be always horizontal. So you have to do something here. In your QuickTime player, there is an option to edit it. Just click on edit and then rotate to the left. Once you click this, this is what's going to happen. Alright, so once you rotate it to the left, it's going to look this way. And all you have to do is just exit it out and just save it. Once you save it, just go to your YouTube browser and upload this video. And don't forget to put hashtag shorts in your description. Now let me show you how to do this in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so we're here in DaVinci Resolve interface. Let's go ahead and open a new project. Alright, so from here, it's really simple. You'll just have to change the settings and just change the resolution of your video. So from 1920 by 1080, you'll just have to switch these two numbers up. Just click on save. Now let's just import the video. Alright, just click on change. Drag it here. And then let's just rotate this video. Then zoom it up. Then adjust it. Play it. Alright, and then just render it. Alright, so let me just show you the finished product of what we've done. Today's video is all about the Moza Mini S gimbal. Coming right up. Alright, in addition to that, please don't forget to watch this video about Will Dosovich and also this one. And that's it for me for this week. Thank you for checking out my channel. God bless you. See you next week.